Hi everybody and welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'm going to show you how to make a halloumi burger two ways. So before I start, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the bell icon, get the latest updates, follow me on Instagram, find out what I'm up to, and please do tell me how your recipes are going. So halloumi has not been in fashion for too long. So it's one of those burgers that I experienced in Sweden for the first time, and I thought, wow, this is something different. So today I'm going to show you how to make a halloumi burger. One, we're just going to griddle one, and then the other one I'm going to coat with egg, and then I'm going to coat it with some cornstarch, and then we're going to fry it, and then that'll give us a crispy coating on the edge. So before we start frying, I'm going to show you how to coat the halloumi that we're going to deep fry, and then we'll go over to the hob, and then we'll start off with the burger buns. Okay, so I'm just going to take, well, halloumi comes in something like this. It'll probably look like that, and then I've literally just opened it into two different, because they basically fold the cheese. So I'm taking the deeper cut, and then I'm going to just coat it with egg, and then I'm going to dip it in some cornstarch. I'll also do the same to the second one. So I'm good to go. I'll see you back at the hob, ready to grill the first one and then fry the second one. See you shortly. Okay, so welcome back. My pan has been on the hob for a while, and I'm just going to toast my buns. So my burger buns are done. I'm going to lower the heat and remove these, and I'll see you shortly. So now to fry off the halloumi burger, a shallow fry, so just a little bit of olive oil, medium heat. Now, but my pan's already hot, so I'm just going to keep mine on medium heat, and without too much fuss, just drop this into the pan. So once the halloumi starts heating up, it'll start melting, and we want very little movement, so we'll leave it on there for about 2 minutes on low heat. So it's been a couple of minutes. I'm just going to turn them over. Wow, perfect. I'm going to turn this one over as well. Now, if there's parts of it that aren't cooked or don't look as if they're brown, that's fine. Don't worry. Now, after a couple of minutes, do have a quick peek. Now, you'll probably find also that the halloumi is on the softer side. So just be gentle when you're turning it over. Right, let's have a quick peek. Perfect, beautifully brown, nicely cooked. And I think it's time to remove these. I might feel, if you feel that one side needs a bit more, by all means, just be very careful because the oil does splatter. So welcome back everyone. I'm using the same pan because it's still hot. I just gave it a quick wipe. General frying oil, sunflower oil is good, or vegetable oil. I'm going to now very carefully pop my halloumi burger inside the pan. Be very careful because it does splatter a bit. Again, I'm going to put the other one in there as well. And again, I'm going to leave that there for about 2 to 3 minutes just to make sure it's nice and golden, and then we'll turn it over. So I'm just going to take this very carefully, flip this over. Now with this recipe, you're going to get the crunchiness on the outside and the smooth, gooey cheese halloumi taste on the inside. So I'm just going to have a quick look at the base of this burger. Beautiful, nice and crispy. I'm just going to now pop it on the side, because I just want to seal off the side as well. I'm going to move the other burger to one side. I'm just going to leave mine there for maybe another minute, just to give that extra crunch. And then I'll see you back at the serving area to show you what to do next. See you shortly. So my halloumi are cooked. You can see that they're nice and crispy. They should be nice and crispy, which they do sound. And the grilled ones are nice and gooey. So Just again, be very careful when you eat the crispy, when you eat the deep fry, because it will be very hot inside. So to assemble one of these is very easy. I've just got some bits and pieces left at home. I've got some mayonnaise, I'm sure you've already got. I've got some jalapeno relish. We always have jalapeno relish at home because we're always making some kind of burger which may not have as much taste as we want, so we're adding additional taste to it. So you don't have to, you can use any kind of relish, or even not use relish if you feel you like tomato ketchup more. It's entirely up to you. I've got some guacamole. And now guacamole goes really well with halloumi, especially when you pile the burger with the base of guacamole, some lettuce, tomato, and some acid taste to it, like the jalapeno relish. It really does go down a treat. So I'm going to build mine. You can build yours as you want, but do follow the recipe and tell me how it goes. So keep watching. If you want to know how to make guacamole, look down in the description below and follow my recipe, and it will show you how to make some superb other dishes as well, as apart from guacamole as well. So just a base guacamole. I'm just going to put some around here and there. Now that's you can actually still hear it. It's really nice and hot. Now it is a bit hot. I'm used to handling hot items. I always like a little bit of mayonnaise. I'm just going to pop them on top. Now, entirely up to you. You could put the tomato on the base, put it on the top. It's entirely up to you. And some lettuce. Now that's how you make the deep fried. And if you look at the burger, it really is a pile of treats. And let me just show you what the burger should look like inside. That's what it should look like inside. Now I'm going to take a bite, and my mouth's already watering. Crunchy, soft, gooey in the middle. I feel the relish kicking in, but then the mayonnaise softening it out. It's a really nice dish. If you've never tried halloumi before, now's your time to try it. Okay, so that's my grilled halloumi burger. Not a tower, but has a different type of taste. Enjoy your food. I'm just going to have a bite of this one. Less crunch, but still nice and soft, nice and gooey. A wholesome burger without the meat, but gives you the taste of meat texture. Try a recipe. Let me know how it goes. Bye for now. See you again.